Hello everyone. In this video, we made a list of lies teachers tell from different countries. So let's get started.
Argentina, this will be on the exams. Germany, you have a bright future. Italy, lying makes your nose grow. Japan, no favorite student. Pakistan, you get extra points. India, math is a lot of fun. Nepal, the homework is small. Sri Lanka, you will need this in college. United Kingdom, we are behind schedule. Mexico, the internet is wrong. Turkey, that drawing is beautiful. Brazil, you should read this book. Philippines, your child is so smart. Indonesia, test is easy. Malaysia, won't be on the exams. Vietnam, hard work makes you rich. Bangladesh, you are doing great. Thailand, I was a good student. Russia, you are very smart. USA, I have the hardest job. Norway, this is very important. France, last chance. Canada, no dumb questions. South Korea, that wasn't funny.